BloxEarn best promo codes. For this, we will refer to a website that is called, in front of you, the first website, there's Game Investors. In this website, you can see that these are the some best and the genuine promo codes for this game, that is BloxEarn, in front of you. You can simply visit this website and copy the code from here. And now I will go to the second website that is called, let me just click it, that is freebieshut.com. In this second website also you will get freebies hut, all the promo codes in front of you. You can copy any one of them and then simply copy or paste it to the website or to the platform you want to copy it. So just after this step, you will be available to grant or claim a discount on the website. Now this is the third and the last genuine website how you can do it, Game Instant. This is about the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates and amazing video reviews like this. Keep watching, keep loving.